Alright guys, I saw somebody else do this, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. A lot of people are probably going to get mad saying that it's a waste of the meat, because this is actually going to be a 1-inch steak. It's a ribeye. And what I did was I took some of the Slap Your Mama's seasoning. It's Cajun seasoning. So I like my meat spicy. It has pepper, salt, red pepper, all that stuff that you would want in it. Alright, like that. Go ahead, did some liquid smoke, a couple drops. And that's the liquid smoke. Like I said, I saw somebody else do it, so I wanted to try it and see how it actually tastes. See if I just threw away the money I had spent on this steak. Alright, just like that. Seasoned. Good. Some good marbling. It's a ribeye. Put some foil on it. This is the OG lean green George Foreman. It's not the deluxe version or anything like that. So, and I did preheat it. You're just gonna want to get it like that so you can get your grill marks. Make sure the top of the foil is big enough to overlap, and make sure that it's not too low down at the bottom so it bypasses your drip tray. And there's a drip tray before I start. And let's go ahead and throw it on there. Just want to move it to the bottom. I'll fold this up a little bit. That to go. And I'm going to do it for about 10 minutes or so. Because I want mine medium rare. Well, I was going to spray it with the oil, just any type of canola oil for non-stick, but it's really not going to be on there long enough, I don't think, to stick. So I'll be right back, guys. Let's see, let this thing cook for, I don't know, 9 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, this is about 4.5 minutes in. So those of you that think you're losing a lot of the juices, a lot of it's still in the foil. So I guess that's about what it would lose if you were doing it on a grill anyway. Alright, so let's give it about another 4.5 minutes and I'll be right back again, alright? Alright guys, this is about 6.5 to 7 minutes in. Like I said, I want it really medium rare, maybe medium, but I've never done it with this size of meat on this little mini Foreman. So it's making racket and whatnot, but I mean there's still not a lot of the juices coming out, so I'm going to test it with a fork. Yeah, it probably needs about maybe another minute, if that. sear it. And see, even pushing down, I'm not pushing down real hard, but just to sear the crap out of it, it's still not dripping juice. Be right back. Alright guys, it's rolling up on 9 minutes. The other video I saw was like 12 minutes, but he said that it was well done. I don't agree, but like I said, I want mine medium rare. Good. Woo. Nice grill marks. Just cut. See, that's more medium well to me than medium rare, but it's still very red in the center. And on both sides, good grill marks. Let me taste it and I'll tell you the truth, if it tastes like garbage or not. Woo. It's actually excellent. Woo-hoo. That's the cleanup, so thanks for the video, oh dude, whoever came up with that. Because now that's already cool to the touch. And as you can see, there's basically no cleanup. A little bit of juice there. But I'm gonna go eat that steak right there. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. You might want to try it. I know some of you might be a little bit hesitant to try it, but man, it's actually pretty tasty. There you go. Take it easy.